Half fill the pot with compost. You'll find special container compost in store. Add a handful of slow-release fertiliser granules. These will give your plants all the nutrients they need. Add your plants one at a time, taking care when you remove them from their pots. Tease the roots with your fingers as you go. Add more compost to fill any gaps between plants, pushing it down with your fingers. Give your container a really good drink, going gently to avoid spilling water over the edge of the pot. Nestle the Christmas trimmings among the plants to give the container a festive feel. Finish off by tying a chunky bow around the pot. Water regularly to prevent the compost drying out.